Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through merging partitions in Ubuntu using a powerful tool called GParted. This process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. To get started, we need to install GParted, which is a fantastic visual way to manage your storage. And don't worry, I'll provide the exact command you need to copy and paste. So firstly, open your terminal by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard, and then the terminal should appear in front of you. Over here, paste the first command, sudo apt update. Then hit enter your password, and after that, just simply wait for a few seconds. After that, paste the second command, sudo apt install gparted-y. You can find both the commands in the description box below. Then hit enter. Now, I already have this installed in my system, so I will not install it again. Once you have finished installation, you can open GParted from your Applications menu. So click over here, and then you should find GParted. Now, you will need to enter your password to let the app make changes to your disk, so enter the password. After that, the application will look something like this. So now that GParted is open, you'll see a list of storage blocks. Now, before we proceed, please ensure you have a backup of your important files, as we will be deleting one partition to let another one grow into its space. Identify the partition you want to get rid of so its space can be added to your main one. So firstly, right-click on the partition you want to delete. Then just simply select Delete. And now you'll notice that the selected drive has become unallocated or grayed out. Now this is empty space ready to be used by your main partition. So now we just need to tell your main partition to expand and take over the new empty space. So what you do is right-click on the main partition you want to keep and make larger. Then simply select Resize or Move. Now, in the window that pops up, simply grab the right side of the partition box and drag it all the way to the end to fill up the gray unallocated space, just like this. And after that, simply click on the Resize option right over here at the very bottom. And then you will notice the change has been registered, but you'll not see the actual change in the drive just yet. To finish, look up at the top menu bar. Over there, you'll find a small checkmark icon. So just simply go ahead and click on that to apply the operations, and then click on Apply. Now just simply wait for a few seconds as it starts the merging process, and after some time you will see the confirmation page over here. You can directly close the option and will notice the partition merge has been completed. So that's it. You now know how to merge partitions in Ubuntu to maximize your storage space. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.